Hello world, we are in Plitvice lakes. Well, not actually lakes, we're at the parking lot. Yeah, you have to pay it. It's charged €1 per hour, something like that. So tickets are 110 kuna, which is not that bad. Apparently from June to end of September, almost double that. But I kind of think it's worth it. Check it out. You do everything on your own risk. Be careful, bring appropriate clothes, pair of shoes. It's very slippery, but it's cool to explore. They told us that the line for the boat is about 1.5 hours long, and we decided to walk. This is maybe 40 minutes, 2 kilometers. That's it. It was easier than we expected, maybe 20 minutes in his face. We are now here embarking the smaller boat, which is going to take us over there, where we want to follow more waterfalls. That's it. We are done. We're going to hop on a train and go home. We're back where we started today. It was kind of cool. It was a cool experience. It was nice walk, nice hanging out with this guy.